The ASUS ExpertBook CX54 Chromebook Plus is a high-end Chromebook that breaks the mold of what a Chromebook can be. While Chromebooks are typically known for their affordability and simplicity, the CX54 boasts top-of-the-line specs and a premium build quality. Built to impress. Right off the bat, you'll notice the Chromebook Plus' impressive design. Made from aluminum alloy, the chassis feels incredibly sturdy. Some reviewers even had trouble bending it. It's also very thin and light, weighing in at just 3.1 pounds, making it a great choice for those who travel frequently. Packing a punch. Under the hood, the CX54 is equipped with the latest Intel Meteor Lake processors, offering users plenty of power for demanding tasks. You can configure it with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for your files. The 14-inch, 2560 by 1600 resolution display is another highlight. With a peak brightness of 500 nits and 100% DCI-P3 color coverage, the screen is perfect for creative work or enjoying multimedia content. Designed for productivity. The Chromebook Plus doesn't skimp on the other features either. The keyboard is backlit and comfortable to type on, and the large glass trackpad provides plenty of space for navigation. There's also a fingerprint scanner for added security, and a full range of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, and a micro SD card slot. The price factor. While ASUS hasn't released official pricing yet, the CX54's premium design and specs suggest it won't be a budget-friendly Chromebook. However, some reviewers believe ASUS might surprise us with a competitive price tag. Should you buy it? The ASUS ExpertBook CX54 Chromebook Plus is a Chromebook unlike any other. If you're looking for a powerful, well-built Chromebook for work or productivity, the CX54 is a strong contender. However, we'll have to wait for the official pricing before making a final judgment. Got a feeling in my shoulder.